and this video is going to be about demonstrating the Solutions Hill app. Now this app is what small business owners are using to do email campaigns. So it's a very versatile application based on a novel technology that you can use to fetch email distribution lists from your inboxes and your spam folders. And I'm going to demonstrate to you how to get started with that application, and I'll be talking about the process flow of it. So the first thing we want to do is to go ahead and create an account on adx.solutionshill.com. So you're going to go to your browser and type this in for me. If you're watching real life, we can do this together. So you're going to do adx.solutionshill.com. So when you type that in, it's going to bring you to this page. Now on this page, you're going to click on the sign up button. So when you click on the sign up button, it's going to bring you to a place where you can put your email address. So you're going to put your email address over here. Click on this validate button. So when you click on the validate button, it's going to send an email to your email address, and then please go ahead and click on that link. It sends a link over there. From that link, you can complete your registration process. So once you've done that, let's assume that we've done something like that before, because for the sake of time, I'm just going to go ahead and log in with one of those accounts that I created before. I'm going to click on login here, and the account that I would like to use, I'm going to type that email over here in this browser. Alright, so I type that in, I put my credentials over there, enter my password right now, which is what I'm doing. I click on enter. It's going to bring me over to the client dashboard. So the client dashboard is going to look pretty much like this. Now what I want to do to access the Solutions Hill app is to click on email marketing. I can click on email marketing right from this panel, or I can click on email marketing right from here. So when I click on email marketing, it's going to bring me to a page that we call crowd distribution lists. So this is a technology in which I'm given the flexibility of retrieving distribution lists from my inbox, and then I can start to create campaigns, email campaigns using that distribution list, and I can use other person's DL if they are part of my network. So when I get to this page, I'm going to click on Fetch DL. When I click on Fetch DL, I'm going to click on my email provider. So on this particular page, we want to click on Google, because Google is the email provider that we want to fetch an email from, fetch a distribution list from. So when I click on Gmail, I'll be brought to this page. Now this page is where the action occurs. As far as Solutions Hill application is concerned, this is like the bulk of the actions over here. It's going to happen over here. Now what you can do from this page is, if I don't want to get Solutions Hill to fetch any email from somebody called Omar, I can just put that keyword over here. Maybe I don't want to fetch an email from anything that's going to be titled inbox. I can put it over here. I don't want to fetch an email from anything that has maybe do not reply or reply to it. I can put all those here separated by lines, so to say. So I'm going to go here and select my industry. So let's say my industry right now is broadcast media. I'm going to select that, and then I'll click on authorize. So what happens is automatically the application is going to tell me, well, which email do you want to fetch? So if I haven't signed up to a Gmail account on this browser, I'm going to have to click on use another account, but I'm signed up right now to this particular Gmail account, so I click on it. So when I click on it, I will get a prompt, but the prompt that I'm getting right now is because we are still in the verification process with Google. Now once the verification is completed, we're not going to be getting this prompt that this app is yet to be validated. But for now, because we are in the verification process, we're going to get this prompt, but we're going to go ahead and disregard this prompt by clicking on advanced, and then click on Solutions Hill. And when you click on Solutions Hill, it's going to tell you the services that Solutions Hill has access to. Now for this particular application, we have access only to a read-only service, which is to view your email messages. Now what we want to get from your email is just email addresses alone, just to create your distribution list for you that you can use as a small business owner to create campaigns and email campaigns. So if you were to click on it, you are going to see that we only have access to a read-only access to your inbox over there. That's what you're going to see. So you're going to go over here. You're welcome to read through our privacy policy, our terms of service, or any other thing you want to read about. Then you click on continue. Now when you click on continue, the Solutions Hill app is going to be going through your inbox to collect email addresses that you want to use to create a distribution list for yourself that you can use to create campaigns going forward. Now it's going to take a little while depending on how large your inbox is. Our server is going to be communicating with Google's API and trying to retrieve those emails. So based on how large it is, this can take potentially about 45 minutes or so. So we're going to wait for this thing to complete that process, and then we are going to click on continue. Alright, so our app has gone ahead to comb through my inbox, and we found 622 emails, but only 11 of those were unique. So I'm going to click on OK. So when I click on OK, I'm going to scroll to the bottom over here. I'll click on continue, and when I do that, it's going to bring me to a place where I can see my distribution list right now. So distribution list, you can see over here, it is titled DL-SB1, and the source of it is eternaldunamis@gmail.com, and the size of this distribution list is 11 because it's unique to me. The owner of the distribution list is going to be the ADX account from which I created the distribution list. Now the visibility of it is kind of limited right now. If I wanted to share the distribution list with my partners in the ADX network, I'll have to go ahead and upgrade the premium plan before I can do that. What can I do from this page? Well, from this page I can create my campaign. I can view my distribution list. So let's assume I want to see what the distribution list looks like right now. I click on View DL. When I click on View DL, it's going to tell me exactly what is on this page. Exactly, that's what it is. I see all my friends and partners and business partners and family members who had sent emails to me before, and with a single click of a button on the other page I can create email campaigns to all these people. Isn't that cool? That's gonna be really great for a small business owner, right? Another thing I can do on this page is if I don't want to send a campaign to for example, this particular person, I'm going to click on not available. When I click on not available, it's going to bring them to the bottom of the list over there. It says not available for campaigns, and I can do that for as many as I want to do that with. And once I'm done with that, I can close this page, and then I am going to go right now to create campaigns. So when I click on create campaigns, I am going to be brought to this page where I can type my email that I want to send out to people. For example, this is going to be like a test email kind of a deal. I can customize my footer. I can say this is going to be 123 Peace Haven or something like that, and then I'm going to preview my email, and then I can proceed to the payment and go ahead, put my credit card information, continue to payment, and then I'm going to send my campaign just like that. So that's essentially the process flow for Solutions Hill application in this particular regard. Now there are additional things that you can do with ADX on adx.solutionshill.com. For example, if you were to return to ADX over here, there's a ton of things that you can do. Return home, you are going to see additional things that you can do with email marketing, searching for businesses that are part of our network, that you can form partnership relationships with them. But for this particular exercise, we just want to demonstrate the email marketing piece of it. So there are going to be additional videos talking about additional functionalities and what you can do as a small business owner with Solutions Hill. Until next time, bye for now.